Today we will demonstrate how to process Millathane E34 compound on a 2-roll mill and an internal mixer. The formula we're going to mix is a TSE's QC recipe, non-black sulfate cured Millathane E34 compound that will be about a 64 Shora durometer hardness when cured. This type of compound can be used for applications such as business machine belting, roll coverings, and shoe soles. The first step in the process is to band the Millathane on the mill. To keep the batch from getting too hot, use full cooling water when mixing Millathane compounds. It is also important to add the process aids early in the mix procedure to eliminate the potential for sticking on the mill rolls. The process aids used in this formulation are AC617A and Structol WB222. The zinc stearate is used as a processing aid and as a cure activator. After the process aids are incorporated, it is important to blend the rubber while making a few end cuts to evenly distribute these ingredients throughout the batch. Next, we will add approximately half of the filler, which in this formulation is Ultrasil VN3 precipitated silica. The small amount of the silane coupling agent was added into the precipitated silica during weighing. During this addition, you may find it necessary to open the mill nip to establish a good rolling bank. Continue mixing until this portion of the filler is incorporated, making certain to return all mill fallout back into the batch. Several end cuts on each side will again be used to evenly distribute the added ingredients. The remaining silica and plasticizers can now be added to the batch. The plasticizer used in this formulation is DBEEA, commonly known as TP95. Once again, you may find it necessary to open the mill nip to establish a good rolling bank. After the filler and the plasticizer are incorporated, several end cuts are utilized to evenly distribute the ingredients. At this point, if the batch is not too hot, the curatives can be added. The curatives in this formulation are the standard cure system used for millable urethanes, which are MBTS, MBT, ZMBT, and sulfur. After the curatives are incorporated, the batch is given approximately 10 end cuts to evenly distribute all the added ingredients. Lastly, the batch is pigged off and given 5 to 8 mil passes to ensure a well-dispersed, homogeneous mixed compound. The completed mix is then sheeted off for cooling and sample preparation.